A young female patient present with multiple warts on the upper lip area due to threading of that area, and it is the cause of the spread of many of viral warts on the face. When you cut the viral wart with a nail cutter, with any other device, it causes spread of the viral warts. It's better not to touch it, and on the face do not apply any cream which claim to remove the wart. It spread the wart, or otherwise it causes erosions on the face. Young female patient present with multiple wart on the face. Really?